I'm saying? You will not find any answer outside of yourself. Everything is within you. Ask the question. Question everything. People don't question nothing. They just take what the oppressors gave them. Ashe, ashe, ashe. They just take. Why you think they steered you outside of yourself? Because they don't want you to tap into the knowing. They want you to be a believer. They want you to believe what they gave you, the information that they gave you. That was how they was able to trick us into controlling us. You got to take your power back and create your own reality. That's the only way that we hold the power. Whatever we believe, that's what we receive. See what I'm saying? That's what we receive, and that's what and they know that. That's why they put us in this program to program us. We are computers. We are the real technology. See what I'm saying? They got no power. They got no power. You hold the power. But if you're not in control of your own mind, then they're in control of you. See what I'm saying? If you don't know who you are, if you don't know that God is within you, not outside of you, then you are being controlled. You are under a spell. Ashe, ashe, much gratitude for y'all tuning in. Peace, love, and abundance. Ashe, ashe, ashe. See what I'm saying? It depends. Christ bound. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Christ is the consciousness. Christ is the consciousness. Tap into it. And that's within you, not outside of you. See what I'm saying? A lot of people like to talk that talk, but don't know what it is. Cause like if you never seen before, you don't know the truth. A lot of people think what has been shown to them by man is the truth. The truth ain't to believe. The truth is to know. See what I'm saying? Ashe, ashe, ashe. The truth, I'm going to say it again. The truth ain't to believe. The truth is to know. That's what it's about. The knowing. That's why they scare you away from the knowing. Don't get caught slipping, because they taught us to be lookers. They taught us to be lookers, not seers. You can never see if you don't connect to this. See what I'm saying? You can never see if you don't connect to this. They don't want you to see. They want you to believe. They don't want you to know. Why you think they scared you away from the knowing? See what I'm saying? Much gratitude for the gifts. Why you think they scared you away from the knowing? A lot of people just going with the flow of everybody else, like, because they're afraid to be alone. They want company within their misery. Everybody else doing it, so I'm gonna do it too. Fuck you mean? Come on, man. Everybody else. That's the herd of sheep going off the cliff, and they don't even know it. Following everybody else because everybody else doing it. This how they believe. This what the family tradition is. This what the family taught us. My grandmother did this. They did this. So I'm gonna do this. Come on, man. You gotta have a mind of your own. Don't be afraid to go in that narrow road, that lonely road. See what I'm saying? Cause you gonna be the one to come out on top. See, they got a lot of sheeps. The blind leading the blind. Ashe. They got a lot of sheeps following behind the other sheeps, and they don't know that they're headed off the cliff, because the only thing that a sheep can see is another sheep's ass. That's the only thing that they can see is another sheep's ass. So you can't see what's in front of you. You can't see the direction you're going. All you know is you following behind the crowd. Straight off the cliffs. You got to have a mind of your own. You got to take your mind back and create your own reality. It's going to be lonely at first, but see, the thing is, you will never be lonely. You will never be lonely if you tap into yourself. See what I'm saying?